So you want to take a dive in digital art. Whether you're an animator, digital artist, architect, or you're an upcoming engineer, and you're looking for a way to take your physical art skills and sketches into digital life, then you, my friend, have landed on the best video out there on YouTube. Because I understand you. There are thousands of options out there on the market, from Chinese copycat brands to expensive brands. What option is going to be good for you as a beginner? All you want is a cheap, affordable graphics tablet or drawing tablet that will allow you to express your art and sketches digitally without any compromise. And you want it to be as close as possible to the higher end options, but you don't want to spend that amount of money. You want a drawing tablet that is good for beginners. Don't worry, I get you. Whoever you are, you will find the graphics tablet that you are looking for. So stay tuned till the end. And if you feel like it, subscribing will make the drawing tablet you buy be blessed with mystical energy. So coming up number 5 is a cheap but great graphics tablet. It is the well-known One by Wacom. This digital art tablet has been known for years to be the greatest and most accurate cheap drawing tablet out there for beginners. It has long been used by all beginning animators, digital artists that are testing the waters, or those who are looking for a tablet that will give them the best results possible at the cheapest price. It also doesn't have too many extra functionalities like buttons or wheels. It's simply a drawing tablet with nothing else. But the greatest thing about this tablet is it is sold by Wacom. Now Wacom, for those who don't know, is the #1 company in the world for drawing tablets. So with this product you pay a little more for the brand name, but like buying brand name clothes versus Chinese copycat products, you'll usually get a much higher quality product that will last you much longer. And this little guy here is very sturdy. It has extremely high build quality and is small and portable. With an active working area of 6 inches by 3.7 inches and priced around $59, you really can't go wrong with this tablet. The pen is battery free and it's pressure sensitive. So the pressure sensitivity isn't the best with this tablet, but you can't expect too much from a brand name at this price. The pressure sensitivity is 2048. Now for those who aren't looking for the most extremely precise art in the world, and for those who don't care too much about pressure sensitivity, like online teachers looking to take advantage of drawing on their slides, or architects just drawing some sketches, or casual animators, this can be the perfect tablet for you. Look no further. But anyone who wants higher pressure sensitivity or a larger tablet like digital artists, then you should look at the next options on this list. As for compatibility with this drawing tablet, it works with a Mac, PC or Chromebook. And if you're left-handed, no problem, you can use this with your left or right hand. The setup is really easy. All you have to do is connect the USB cable to your computer, install a driver, and you are ready to go. So coming up in number 4 is the Huion Inspiroy H640p. This, in my opinion, is the best small-sized budget graphics tablet with extra buttons. So this graphics drawing tablet will be the best for those looking for the cheapest option out there. Now don't go any cheaper than this, or you will get something that you will end up throwing in the trash. This should be the cheapest you ever go on a drawing tablet. This $40 tablet from Huion packs a great punch. Huion is one of Wacom's biggest competitors. With a compact and portable size of 6.3 inches by 3.9 inches, it is easy to carry out with you anywhere. And the cool thing about this tablet is it has 6 press keys that you can set to any function or shortcut that you want. And another cool bonus is the accurate pen performance. The digital pen PW100 on this tablet features a pressure sensitivity of 8192, which provides you with ultimate precision and control. This one will work with Mac, Windows, Android 6 or later phones and tablets. It also comes with a convenient pen stand. Its weight is only about half a pound and it's 0.3 inches in thickness, making it very easy to carry around. This one should be the perfect option for those doing remote teaching and e-learning from home, and for any beginning aspiring artists, architects or anyone looking for a starter option to learn with. It's also ambidextrous, so it will work with your right or left hand. With this product you also get a 1-year warranty. So coming up in number 3, we have the Huion Inspiroi H1161. This graphic drawing tablet is the one I would pick out from this list if you're looking for a large drawing tablet at the cheapest price. It has a great large size of 11 by 6.8 inches and is only priced at $89. It also has many extensive functions and features, which is what makes me love it. And personally, I really do hate small drawing tablets or art tablets. I much prefer something bigger, because if you ever try drawing on a small drawing tablet, it's usually gonna be so annoying because you won't have any freedom with your brush strokes. Everything is gonna have to be very tiny and you won't be able to work precisely on your art. But they work fine for those doing casual things like teaching online. But personally, I'd always prefer going for a larger sized drawing tablet, which is where this one comes into play. A perfect budget and a perfect size. This graphical drawing tablet has a battery-free 8192 pressure sensitivity pen with a 266 pps report rate, which makes it lag-free, with an added tilt response of ±60 degree range of brush tilt. This drawing pad is also compatible with Chromebooks, PCs, Macs and Android devices. It also uses a USB-C input for faster data transfer and more power. And one of its coolest features is that it has a touch strip. Now the touch strip allows you for canvas size adjustment by default, and you can change that to anything like brush size adjustment or anything else you'd like. So you have, out of the 26 press keys, 10 hard and 16 soft press keys, which will provide you with ultimate convenience. These are all programmable to the shortcuts that you would prefer to have. And it weighs 770 grams and has a thickness of 10 millimeters. It also comes with 8 replacement nibs and a pen holder, and it comes with a 1-year warranty, and it works for the lefties out there. Coming up in number 2, we have the Huion Canvas Pro 12 GT116 drawing tablet. This is the best drawing tablet with a screen for beginners. So if you're looking for a cheap drawing tablet that has a screen, this is the one to go for. And this is the cheapest thing I'd advise you to look at. Don't look at anything cheaper than this or you will regret it. So this one right here actually has a high quality Full HD IPS panel screen. The IPS panels allow for great color accuracy, and no matter what angle you look at the screen from, you won't have any color shift, which is essential for artists. And this IPS screen has an incredible value of 120% sRGB coverage, which makes for a fully color accurate representation in anything you're working on that's sRGB. And it also has an extremely accurate stylus and with minimal lag, which also has 8192 pressure sensitivity levels and also has a tilt support of ±60 and uses a 266 pps report rate. As for extra functionalities, you have 4 press keys and one extremely convenient touch bar, which can be used for canvas size adjustment, brush size adjustment, whatever you want. And by the way, the touch strip works really well. It's calibrated well and works smoothly. It won't be buggy like some other cheap things. And the dimensions of the working area on the screen is 13.7 inches by 7.8 inches. This is really close to an A4 sheet size for comparison. Now this tablet is compatible with Mac OS, Windows and a Chromebook, and it supports all popular art programs as all the tablets on this list do. It comes with a stand plus a cleaning cloth plus a glove as a gift, and you also get a nib clip to unclip the nibs, and you get 10 pen nibs inside. And you also get a pen holder, and you get a 1-year warranty. Now coming up in number 1 is the XP Pen Deco Pro Medium Graphics Drawing Tablet. This ultra thin digital pen tablet is the one that you don't want to miss out on. In my opinion, it's the best beginner drawing tablet you can get that will last you a very long time, because it has all the extra functionalities that you get on a premium drawing tablet, but it has a price that makes it suitable for beginners looking for a beginner drawing tablet. So this, in my opinion, is definitely the best budget drawing tablet out there for beginners in 2021. Now, as with the other options on this list, it boasts a battery-free pen with 8192 levels of pen pressure sensitivity. It also offers pen tilt support with 60 plus and minus levels of pen tilt support. But what puts this one in number 1? Now, first of all, it's a 2019 Red Dot Design Award winner. And it's also a 2018 Good Design Award winner. The design is impeccable on this drawing tablet. But not only that, but the best part of this drawing tablet is the awesome dual function roller wheel interface. It combines a mechanical and virtual wheel that makes it possible to perform multiple actions with one hand. It's easier, quicker and more simple than any other method out there on any other drawing tablet. It's a really innovative solution and it comes in very handy in so many ways. The roller wheel comes indicated with an indicator light and adjustable brightness level, allowing you to stay immersed, even at night. You also get 8 shortcut keys for instant access to shortcuts you love, and the mechanical and virtual wheel built in it also has extra touchpad functionalities built into the wheel. As for support, it offers Android OS support, Windows and Mac OS, and also Chrome OS. And XP Pen also provides you with a 1-year warranty. This graphics tablet also provides you with the latest USB-C connection for enhanced data transfer and speed. The drawing tablet also has an active area of 11 by 6 inches with a total size of 9 by 15 inches. And the pen is also lag free, so don't worry about any delay or lag. It also works with left-handed people as well as right-handed. Now with this drawing tablet you get one USB to USB-C adapter, one USB to micro USB adapter, you get one drawing glove, you get a USB-C to USB cable, you get a battery free stylus, you also get the drawing tablet, and you get a pen holder, and you get 8 replacement nibs, and you also get the tablet obviously. If you have the extra budget to go for this drawing tablet will be the best drawing tablet out there for beginners, and it will beat any drawing tablet out there for beginners, and many people who got it were shocked by how well it performed and were really happy to get it, and they were recommending it to others. So if you enjoyed this video or found it useful in any way, make sure to subscribe. If you have any comments, comment them below, and share this video with any of your artist friends who are looking for a great beginner drawing tablet out there. I made sure to provide you with all the best options that are currently available. Now if you're looking for a higher end drawing tablet with screens or other things features, check out the next video I'm going to make about drawing tablets. Now have a nice day and goodbye. I wish you the best.